Hey everyone, it is BE Productions, Hells9 here. And today, we are going to be doing this unboxing video. So let's get started. So I'm going to put the camera down. This is easy to open. I don't even need any scissors. And oh yeah, it came sealed. Oh yeah, it's the Baby Noah UK 2007 DVD. Got this from eBay and it came sealed, so that's good. So yeah, I'm going to open it real quick. Hold up. I'm opening it. Just give me a moment. It just should take a moment. Oh yeah, there, I just opened it. So yeah, so here's the front. Baby Noah UK 2007 DVD. So we have Disney Baby Einstein, Baby Noah Animal Expedition. Here we have Noah the Elephant. Here's the background. Here we have ages 12 months plus. Come on, focus. Come on, focus. That's better. Interactions, animal names and sounds, emotions, interactive play, Disney DD logo. So yeah. So let's get started. It's the Baby Noah UK 2070s. So it's the front, back, side. I don't have the American 2007 DVD yet. Here is the disc. It is purple, so that's cool. And it came with this weird thing, which I don't know why it just did. So here's this thing, front, back. Inside it came with this weird Disney thing. It's this weird Disney thing. So yeah guys, that's it for the video. So I'm going to be doing the DVD menu to this and the opening and closing to this. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. So this is BE Productions 2009 here signing off.